Hello everyone, welcome back to the Minute Cryptic. Today's clue is about the Wordle, which I just finished. Today's Wordle partly brought about yawning. Asleep? No. So, Wordle partly brought about sort of suggests rotating the word Wordle? Or, actually, partly is a hidden indicator. Maybe I'm supposed to look inside the phrase today's Wordle and get days woe, but then do something back, make it brought about. Yeah, like drowsy. If you're yawning, you're drowsy, and that's if you took partly today's Wordle and brought it about. You'd get Yzword, which backwards is drowsy. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.